Hi, welcome to your 5th grade supply list organization. Now, as you can see here, there are two different columns. One column is for your CDL station, which is Comprehensive Distance Learning Station, and the other is for storing for later when we come back to in-building learning. So first we'll talk about the column here, where we talk about what your station should have. So if you look at this list of supplies, you should have these things readily available, because if you shift between classes, you have about 15 minutes between classes in CDL where you can gather your supplies, and hopefully you don't have to go very far. So keep them within very close range to wherever you are working from. And there's another video about what your station should look like, an example, and I'll walk through kind of what you should really kind of pay attention to. So looking at the list here, we've got pink beveled eraser, centimeter square graph filler paper, Crayolas, pencils, so there's colored pencils, black composition book. The composition notebook is going to be for Outdoor Learning Wednesdays, so make sure you have that ready for Outdoor Learning Wednesdays on the top, and all of you guys doing some scavenger hunts, things like that outside when I broadcast live from the garden. Let's see, one's Scotch magic tape, definitely for science and other projects you might have in social studies or math, and your pencils, of course, all your colored markers, right? A 5-subject notebook, that's only for math, so make sure you have that nearby. And then mechanical pencil is nice to have as a backup as well, and filler. So here's something you should definitely know, is that in addition to this list, or the list that's been published, there's a need for dry erase markers. So you can pick those up kind of any store that carries office supplies. And the idea is that you'll be sent home, or have a pickup schedule here at the school, where you'll be getting a whiteboard that you can hold up in front of your camera to show what you've done and work that you've completed that you can share with class. Also, lined index cards. So that's not included, or wasn't an original item on the list, so that will be something you'll need to pick up as well when we do vocab cards, probably halfway through September. Now again, the list right over my head, all those things, you're just going to be putting right into another box, and then that way you can take those supplies and hopefully bring them into school to move in and all that sort of stuff. So thanks for listening to this informational video. Make sure you watch the other ones as well about your home space.